Imagine a world so cold and vast, it seems impossible for life to thrive, yet underneath the surface, a microscopic forest flourishes, powering an entire ecosystem. These tiny organisms are the foundation of ocean life, but what allows them to bloom in such extreme conditions? Phytoplankton, the primary producers of the ocean, requiring three main ingredients to grow abundantly in cold polar waters: sufficient sunlight, a steady supply of essential nutrients, and a stable water column. The why behind these needs is rooted in basic biology and oceanography. Sunlight is non-negotiable because phytoplankton perform photosynthesis, converting light energy into chemical energy. In polar regions, this often means waiting for the spring and summer months when ice melt creates a shallow, stable layer of fresh water near the surface. This less dense, fresher water traps the phytoplankton in the sunlit zone, preventing them from being mixed too deep where light cannot reach them. Nutrients, especially nitrates, phosphates, and silicates, are abundant in deep polar waters due to upwelling currents bringing them to the surface. Iron is another crucial micronutrient, particularly in the Southern Ocean, where it is often the limiting factor for phytoplankton growth. Without these vital components, even with light, the tiny plants cannot build their cellular structures and multiply. Understanding these needs helps scientists monitor the health of polar marine ecosystems. For example, observing satellite images for chlorophyll concentrations, which indicate phytoplankton blooms, allows researchers to track ocean productivity. This also helps us predict how changes in sea ice extent or ocean currents, influenced by our changing climate, might impact these crucial organisms and, in turn, the larger food web they support, from krill to whales. A fascinating insight, especially concerning the Southern Ocean, is the iron hypothesis. This suggests that adding iron to specific ocean areas could stimulate phytoplankton growth, potentially absorbing more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. While a complex and debated concept, it highlights the outsized role of a single micronutrient in vast oceanic systems, showing how delicate the balance is for these microscopic powerhouses. Ultimately, the ability of phytoplankton to flourish in cold waters hinges on a precise interplay of light, nutrients, and ocean stability. When these conditions align, these tiny organisms create a vibrant base for the entire polar food web, influencing global carbon cycles and supporting the breathtaking biodiversity we associate with the Earth's frozen frontiers.